Getting in the zone, also known as the zero position, is a mental state where athletes are able to perform at their peak. It's when everything flows naturally as the body performs effortlessly. In my work with elite athletes at the highest level, it is this state of the mind that is required for peak performance. And the key to reaching this zero position is calming your mind and allowing your mind to act instinctively. And that's what great athletes like Djokovic, PV Sindhu, or Virat Kohli can apply in back-to-back matches, which enables them to reach their peak and their success consistently. But these peak performance strategies help them managing the pressure, finding and accepting different challenges, and allowing them to compete at their highest potential. Understanding your zero position is key for an athlete to perform consistently on their best each and every day. Remember, zero position, peak performance is the key or the thread that differentiates between good and great athletes. Bye.